Welcome to the MonkeyLMS Help video series. Today I'll explain the different project settings available in your account. With so many options, be sure to check out part 2 of this series for an in-depth guide to lesson and course settings. You can easily update your project name. You may use your organization name or perhaps call it your organization training system. This name will appear on all automated emails to your users. To customize your project, you can drag and drop your own logo, or use the MonkeyLMS default. You can hide or show whether your project's name appears in the header bar. With any changes you make, be sure to click Save at the bottom of the page. Billing invoices are sent to the email address listed here. By default, the email is set to the person who created the project. But if there is a particular billing email address invoices should be sent to, this is where you can update it. By default, users cannot change their own name or email in the project. If a user is allowed to change their name or email, they can do so by clicking on the gear in the top right corner and selecting My Account. The progress page for each user shows all content by default, but you can switch it to show learning path progress instead. Our main customization features are discussed in part 2 of our settings videos. Check it out for more details on how lesson quizzes, courses, and points work. Check out our video on learning paths for more information on that feature too. By default, we call any content piece a lesson, but many organizations may want to use an alternative term, materials, content, articles, or something else. Here you can change the singular and plural version that appears on your project for all users. You can also do the same for courses. The standard order in the left navigation bar is to show lessons before courses, but you can show courses first by choosing the reverse option. For now, we'll skip over lessons and course settings. Check out part 2 for a detailed guide on them, and we'll move on to roles. Each project has two main user types: admin, who can access the whole project without any restrictions, and users. Users can only see the content found above the System Controls divider in the left nav bar. Admin can see all system controls and make edits to any page therein. Additional roles can be created and assigned to new or existing users. A basic user is someone who has the same access as a user, but the role itself has been renamed. Perhaps you want to call users members or employees. You can easily set a basic level user with a new role name with the same user access. At MonkeyLMS, we understand that there are some users who may need access to certain system controls, but not all of them. If that is the case for your organization, you can create additional roles with admin level permissions to only one or more of the system controls. The most common might be a manager or team leader who needs access to their team information, team reports, and the ability to add users to the project. Another situation may be that you have content writers who need to be able to create content but don't need to edit users, settings, or other management options. In addition to restricting access to specific controls, you can also restrict based on the admin user's user group and location. For example, an HR manager might need to be able to access all users to add them to the project, and might not have a restriction on user group or location. But that HR manager might not need access to all team and report data. If they're restricted to user group and location for teams and reports, they would only see those that match their own user group and location. User groups and locations are discussed in our content tagging and our users videos. Be sure to check them out as well for more details. MonkeyLMS sends out several automated messages to your users, from registering them to the project to reminding them of lesson deadlines. If you're curious about what the messages say, you can review them here. Thanks for checking out part 1 of our settings video. Be sure to check out part 2 for more information on our features.